कौन बोल रहा है? गिर गया। अरे हाँ।
मम्मी मम्मी मुझे देना तो हाँ ಎಪ್ಪಳು ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಪಾಯ್ ಬೇಡ
अबे गिर गया।
ನಾ ಕೊಡಂಗ
ओके।
ಬೇಡ
अरे हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ?
दिखाओ
बोल रहा कोई कुछ आवाज नहीं आ रहा।
Hi everyone, good morning.
धीरे 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 शुरू हो गया।
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning.
चलो फ्रेंड्स
Anusip, can you please mute yourself?
नोट नोट कहाँ करना है?
Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. We'll start. Okay, like up to what we have completed previously.
Assert class.
We will be starting with JavaScript, correct?
Yesterday we have completed assert class, test ng assert class. So up to that we have completed.
This verification part.
Yes, yes. Tooltip.
Validating toolkit, but with this verification we have completed. This verification part we have completed. If else and assert class.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll be starting with the JavaScript executor today. Hmm. Okay. Any doubts till now? Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, you are audible. Yes.
Okay. Any doubts till now? Before JavaScript executor? Yes, no.
No doubts from my side.
Okay, all the assignments completed, Resma?
So I'm doing the chatbot
Okay,
with frame that
okay,
is in progress.
good. But after doing the assignments, you're feeling easy with writing codes or not?
Yes, somewhat like feeling like little lazy and yeah, becoming like yeah, and I need like whatever codes I'm writing. So I'm just checking like will the XPaths are good or like it should not fail very frequently, right? So
Correct.
that I'm trying to achieve. Yeah.
Good. What about Namrata madam? Namrata is there? Hmm. Namrata? He's not listening today.
Yes, sir. No, I just went to get my water.
Okay.
Sorry,
You're
what were you
doing
saying, sir?
done with the assignments?
No, sir, not yet. Mm,
When you'll complete?
Uh, soon, sir, I will finish it.
Try to do it
Of
because
assignments.
see, I'll be starting with the after this JavaScript execute, I'll be starting with the web tables and I'll be starting your frameworks. You'll face issue at
Mm-hmm.
that time.
Yes, sir.
At least one
Yeah,
to
I'll try to
from
finish. Yep.
every topics you do. At least
Okay.
one to you do so that you'll have an idea.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Okay, let's start with this JavaScript executor. How to click on a web element using JavaScript executor. You can see here WebDriver driver is tool driver driver JavaScript.
Sir, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, sure.
It's not about the this particular related to this thing, but when
Okay.
you write the code
Yeah.
and when if there is any import statement is needed, when you write like when you wrote the WebDriver driver,
Okay.
it automatically came the import. Is there any shortcut key you're using?
That means okay, just a minute. Like what you're saying? This one, correct?
Yes. So when you did this and click, so the import statement for that particular element already got
Imported.
inserted in your code.
Okay.
Yes. Is there any shortcut key you use for that?
Yeah, that is control space. That
Okay.
means if see, I want to use now like find elements method. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
with the reference of WebDriver dr control space. That means a driver it is showing that the reference variable and from where
Mm-hmm.
you want to fetch enter dot find elements it is showing enter by dot like this I'm doing.
No, the import statement, yes. So for that also you use control
Automatically
space.
what it will happen in this condition, see,
Mm-hmm.
automatically what it will happen if I'll directly click from here, no, it will
Mm-hmm.
import directly. I don't have to
Okay.
import.
Okay,
If
okay.
I will start writing, then you have to import. Okay. Another thing I'll show you. See, everything is written, but more like in some of the condition, what happens? Like it is deleted or not imported. Control Shift O.
Okay.
Automatically it will import. But thing is that you have to know like what are the imports you are doing.
Right.
You have to understand that like I'm importing WebDriver that is from Selenium, importing Chrome driver from Selenium. These are the some of the things you have to know what are the imports.
Okay. Got it, sir. Thank you.
Mhm. Okay, now what we'll be doing? Manage dot time dot place it duration sequence that is 20. Dot find elements by dot x. Here I'll be doing two, three things here. Okay. Now, Sami, I have located everything is done. How to click on a web element? First question. It is to everyone, not I'm asking. I can't ask particular one. How to click on a web element, guys?
Dot click.
Using click method.
Create account. Dot click.
Create account dot click method. I'll be not using the click method of web element. Then how to click? That means my question is in how many ways we can click?
With the keys. With the keys.
Keys enumeration. Okay. Anything apart from that?
Events.
Robert class.
Yeah.
Okay. Apart from that, three things we have done now, till now, you said. Anything else?
Uh, Whatever you are gonna teach. JavaScript.
Yeah. Leave this. Apart from this JavaScript, I'm asking. Action
Action
class we
class.
cannot do?
Action class.
Correct. Okay. That means if someone is going to ask you in how many ways we can click on a web element, that means there are how many ways?
5.
Correct. Okay. How to use this JavaScript executor? See, first of all, we have to store the web element where we want to do the operations. JavaScript executor is the interface. JS is equal to JavaScript executor. Typecast this to WebDriver. JS dot execute script. Arguments 0 dot method where we want to click on create account. That's it. Done? Clear? Take down this program
Can
quickly.
you explain one time what did you did actually?
First
And
of, like
in
in line number
analysis.
17, till line number 17 you all know, because the first line open Chrome browser. Second, we have entered the URL to the app like browser. Then I have used synchronization, that is implicitly wait. Then I have stored the web element where I want to do the operations in a reference variable, that is create account. Next, used thread.sleeve for synchronization. Like just to pause the program for a few minutes just to show you. Then use JavaScript executor. Okay, what is this JavaScript executor? JavaScript executor is a interface. And to use this JavaScript executor, we have a typecasted to WebDriver. Then using the methods of this JavaScript executor, a method is present, that is execute script. There what I have entered arguments 0.click. This is the script argument. Okay. And where I want to click in create account. That's it.
From where this arguments 0.click came?
This is a
This
script you have to remember. This is a script. You
to
have to remember this.
this will come in the scenario of clicking only.
Yeah.
Okay. Arguments 0, it will come in the scenario of clicking.
Yeah. Because I'm using here click method, no?
So where else means can you tell like a particular scenarios where do we need to use JavaScript so that we can
Correct.
remember
Correct. Nice
like we
question. See,
action class we
in
use.
some of the condition, what happen? Okay, I'll show you. I'll show you program so that you'll get an idea. Nice question. Might be there are more questions with the assignments will be there. Just a minute. In some of the conditions, will be getting like element not interactable exception. There will be using this JavaScript executor. I'll show you.
Okay, okay. So no.
So that you'll get a clarity of this. Okay. You can see here, it is like a tick mark is there, correct? If I want to click there, what I have to do? I have to locate this one.
Yeah. Mhm.
Done.
Yeah.
Okay, you have taken this program, correct? Taken the
Yeah.
screenshot of this program.
Yes, yes.
So
Okay.
anyway, these are the different ways to do one thing, right?
Same, yeah, that is, see, different ways why I'm like teaching is some, in some of the cases that normal click will not work. In some of the cases we have to move the mouse from one place to other place to click. In some of the cases like using like direct enter, we have to enter like this, it is there. Like, for that reason I'm changing, like showing you all those things with different topics. That way I am teaching.
Okay.
Checkbox. Now what it will happen? See. That means normally I have located this. What I'll be doing? To click, I'll be using checkbox dot click. Correct?
Yeah. I got it, sir. Don't worry about it.
No, no, like you see, I have written. You should show the, it should show that exception so that you will get to know.
Okay, okay.
And you will, not everyone will get to know. That's a nice question, that one. See, it has given a exception without clicking here. Okay.
Mhm.
See.
Okay, okay. Invalid selector exception.
Invalid selector exception. In some of the cases, you'll get element not interactable exception. That means you'll not get to know where is the problem.
Mm-hmm.
In that condition, what I'll be doing is I'll be using JavaScript executor.
So for this two type of exception only, we will get to know that
Correct,
we have
correct,
to use JavaScript execute, right?
correct.
Okay, okay.
This execute script is taking two types of arguments. Script key as argument and object as argument. Arguments 0 dot click.
Sir, will this always be argument 0 or it will change based on what
No,
functionality we
no, no.
want to
It will
perform?
be 0. It will be 0. If it will change, what it will happen, I'll show you also. Okay. Oh, yeah. Done. See here. If you are going to like change anything from here, it will throw you exception. JavaScript exception. See what exception you got? JavaScript exception. Clear?
What was the first exception name, sir? I forgot. Invalid,
Invalid selection exception.
for which we need to use JavaScript executor, right?
Correct.
Invalid.
Not only invalid for element not interactable, also you have to use JavaScript executor. Okay, take down this quickly. We have to complete this quickly. Done? Okay.
Yes.
So, one more doubt, like,
Yeah.
in which all case we will get to know which type of click we should use for which element. Like, let's say if we are getting this type of exception, then we will think of like a JavaScript executor, or like how we will get to know we have to use action class or we have to use robot class or click method. How we will get to know? Is there something like exception, through exception only we will get to know?
Through exception only we'll get to know. And in many, while writing a project, see, these are some of the common questions comes to every students. Okay, I am saying till now what I have told you from the starting. I'll be covering, so first understand about the syllabus, then only you'll get to know how to use it. As the syllabus is made, first understand about the syllabus. Okay, first what I did, I have explained you web drivers. Then I came to web element, then came to locators. That means one topics why I am taking, because everything will be included. But while writing a project, what you will be doing, you have seen, okay, I have to go to a specific element and click. That means what are the exceptions you will get, you are thinking of, you have to know that. If my crosser will not go there, if I'm not able to do mouse over, I may not be able to click, I'll get an exception. We'll go for actions class. If there is to handle any Windows operation, I have to go for robot class. If there is a like drop down list having a select tag with options tag, I'll be going for like a select class. So these are the things which you like after doing lot of practice only you will get to know.
Okay, okay.
See, actually, there is no hard and force rule that we should like here in this condition, we will not use click method. Normally, we have to use JavaScript. It is not any hard and force rule is not there, but we should know different ways, so that if we are not able to do a operation in a specific way, we can go for the alternative way. Okay.
So do you think, suppose in the real scenario, if we work,
Hmm.
so do we have to test every single part of the application, like each and every single?
Yes, we have to. Because testing means is that
Okay, means in
testing.
manual,
See,
I
coming
understood.
to Namrata, I have taken classes for Namrata. You can she also knows this. Normally, before like automation, why we used to do automation? I'll be writing code and I'll be asking some questions to get a clarity only, just to give you clarity. Okay, why we used to do normally testing, like how we used to do testing, Semi?
After testing every functionality,
No, my
like
question is
manually.
try to understand the question. Okay,
Mhm.
okay, leave it. What is the definition of testing? Mhm.
To test something, is it working properly according to the requirements or not?
Good. How to test?
With the tools or manually or
By verifying and validating, we are going to test. By verifying the application and validating the application, we are going to test. Okay, what do you mean by verification and what do you mean by validation? Same.
so verifying means you need to check are those elements
Correct.
there,
Yes.
right? And validation means are they working properly according to the requirements or not?
That means we have to test each and everything or not.
Yeah.
Okay. Got your answer? Second thing. Second thing. Why, what is the use of manual testing and what is the use of automation testing there?
So because manual testing takes long time if you need to do
Okay.
regression testing or those things again and again, you have to check all the fields. That's why we do automation, right? That's why automation came in the picture.
Okay.
So,
For
sir, manual testing we have to do anyways until we identify the candidates for automation. If the once we identify that, yeah, this is the perfect candidate for automation, then we start converting them into
Simply we
automation
can
and
say
then start
normally,
using them. Yeah.
simply we can say that in manual testing, we can do or we can test each and everything. But using manual testing, it is going to take some lot of time. But basically, automation testing is done for regression testing.
Yes. But
The
but the,
thing, what you said
you can
only.
start you
Hmm.
can start
Hmm.
doing automation as soon as it is available, but anyway you cannot eliminate the manual part from it.
That's what I'm saying. You are, see, to do automation also, we have to locate the elements. To automate the application, we have to go for manual testing. Without manual, see, manual and automation, these are two different things. But without manual, we cannot go for automation. Only a part of manual is done by automation. That is all
There is
about
never
only
a hundred
regression
percent.
testing.
Yeah. Sir,
so
no,
that
there is
is
no
my
100% automation is not possible.
No,
that
100%
is
automation is not possible. Okay.
so you are saying 100% automation is possible, you mean?
No, I am
Oh
saying
yeah, that is only my
100% automation is not possible.
for very small functionalities, suppose we are not located, then we can do those things by manually also, right?
No, no, not only that. See, function, if any locators and all those things we can, for a single small functionality we can, because we are able to see, coming to verification and validation of a text field, I'll say I can fetch the size of the text field. I can get the location of the text field. I can get the position of the text field. I can get what type of characters it is going to enter. Oh, I can enter the characters. That are the things which I can do, but I cannot automate a image. I cannot automate a your captcha. I cannot automate your barcode. I cannot automate OTPs. These are the things which we need to do manually. Without manual, we cannot do all those things.
Also exploratory, sir, because
Yeah,
exploratory
that
testing
is
also
different.
is,
That
yeah,
is different. I'm not like exploratory is different thing. Okay.
yeah.
I am having everything, but see, I'll be giving you all the data. Still, then you cannot do automate. That is, these are the things which we cannot do automate. Exploratory is different. Like we don't have SRS document or SRS is not understandable. Those are different things. Okay. See, now how to enter a text. Entering a text is different thing. Okay. How to enter a text into inside a text field? Okay, this is a text field, correct? Input is there, name or ID type is equal to this. This is there or not? Name is equal to, okay, ID is equal to, I'll take. This is a website you can take for a practice. Okay. Copy driver dot find element by dot xpath text field. Okay. Okay, how to enter, like in how many ways we can enter a data inside a text field?
Send keys.
Send keys of web element method, then specify that. Send keys of web element method, send keys of actions class method.
Mm-hmm.
In actions class also we are having a send keys method, no?
Okay.
Apart from that,
Then again,
Sir,
from
G.
robot
in
class.
interview, if they ask these questions, right?
That's why I'm asking
Like
this
you have
question.
to memorize all this, right? Because otherwise, you need to make sure that you are answering correct list. This is a good
That's
candidate for interview question.
that's for that reason I'm asking. It is for not for me, I'm asking. I know all those things. For interview perspective only, I'm asking if by reading this, if you're going for any interviews, no, they will ask you, okay, like how to enter a data inside a text field. You will be saying, okay, using send keys method. Okay, but answer is wrong. At that condition, you will think words are told us using send keys method. Why answer is wrong? No. Using the send keys method of a web element interface. Using the send keys method of actions class, you have to specify that.
Yeah.
Using JavaScript executor, you have to specify all those things. Because
So
method of send keys with respect to action is different, with respect to web element is different.
can we send keys through the robot class also?
Robot class, we don't have send keys.
Okay.
Robot class is to handle only web page. Okay, you can see here one exception we got again. Element not interactable exception. Why we got this exception? This exception will get in two conditions. If the element is not visible in the web page, or if we are not able to access to that element, because you can see here it's a disabled text box written. Am I able to interact with this text box? No. In a disabled text box, normally we cannot enter any data. In this condition, what I have to do, again I have to go for JavaScript executor. JavaScript executor JS is equal to script executor arguments 0 dot value is equal to see here. That means forcefully in a disabled text field also, I'm able to enter the data. Clear? Take down this quickly.
So JavaScript executor is an interface, correct?
Yeah,
Okay, okay.
JavaScript executor is an interface. And it is also present in your Selenium. See, JavaScript executor is an interface present in Selenium.
Okay, okay.
Done? Next. See guys, this is the way to practice for you also. I am only doing not doing. See, I am doing bit by bit programs. You have to practice like this. Then only you will able to do. I know how much I will teach, but you'll not have that clarity till you don't practice all those things. Random scrolling. Web driver is equal to no. Let's go to Mintra for shopping. See, what I will be doing now is I'll scroll this page 4 to 5 times. Again, I'll scroll this page up to 4 to 5 times. Let's do how we are going to do it. JavaScript executor J. For int I is equal to 0, I is less than equal to 4, 5. I plus plus. Let's give it thread dot every 1 second it will scroll start execute script. Photo scroll. Vale. Just to go back, window dot scroll. See to this right side corner, this one. It will start scrolling.
So for scrolling, we were using robot
It's
class.
not mandatory that we should use only 100. It's depend on us how much speed we can. It's depend on us only. See. Done?
And if we want to go up to footer, that means like how
Sorry? If we want to go
up to footer. So we will use 500 or how?
up exactly to pura down, correct?
Up to down.
Here.
Ha,
I'll show you that. That is a different thing. I'll show you that. We are having another key for that.
Sir, we want to write this. We have not completed writing.
Sorry.
We are still writing this.
Take a screenshot, dear.
So why did we use for loop here, sir?
We have used for loop because I am scrolling it 0 to 200. 0 is my x-axis, 200 is my y-axis, correct? That means if in y-axis one time only I have come, I want to scroll for multiple times. That's why I have iterated this loop for multiple times instead of writing this line of code multiple times.
And that minus 200 means we are going down to up.
Yeah, down to up.
Okay.
Done.
So for repeating this line only, you just wrote the for loop.
Yeah,
For repeating line number 17 5 times.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, next. Scroll to a particular element using the location. Okay. Mhm. WebDriver. Wikipedia. Here, what I want to do is I want to scroll to this wiki source where this is present. I want to scroll up to that element. Okay.
So in this case, we can use that only like 0 or 200, and we will not use that minus code. Will that work?
Yeah.
That will also work, huh?
Why it will not?
Okay then. Okay.
Okay. How to get the location of this web element? Hmm. Resma, bolo.
Location means how
Hmm.
we will scroll down, huh?
Location means how I'll get the x and y axis of this element.
I don't know this one.
Hmm.
By coordinates, no?
How I'll get the coordinates?
You can go to the wait, get x coordinate and then get y coordinate, right?
That is present in location. Return
Get
type is
method.
get location. Return type is point.
Yes.
Okay. Location dot get of y. Get x axis and y axis. Now what I'll be doing is JavaScript executor JS is equal to
You are getting wiki source from the XPath, right?
yeah.
Yeah. So once you wait, that's the variable, I mean the object that is going to take it from the XPath. Okay.
So get location is a method.
Yes.
Okay, and
Of web
It's the
element.
inbuilt method.
okay,
Of web element.
and get x and y. Those are like what?
To get like it is method chaining I have done like get location return type is point is going to give you the x and y axis both, but using get location I have faced the get x means it will give you only the x axis, get y means it will give you the y axis. If
So
I
get
write
location
here,
return type is point. You are saying
see,
point is what? Like
no, wikisource dot get get location return type is point.
point means
So it's a class present in Selenium.
okay, okay.
Okay. Return type is point. That means this point, if I'm going to print this value of this point, if I'll be printing this value of this point, it will give you both x-axis and y-axis. Okay, but I have to print x-axis and y-axis differently. That's why I have used get x and get y because it is going to give you a integer value. That is return type is integer. Integer x, integer y.
Okay, okay. it might be, it might be possible like we will get a double value also, right? Because x
No,
axis, y axis.
no. Why will get double value?
Because sometimes we have like point like some numbers, right?
Like I am not getting numbers means point numbers. Okay, decimal
हाँ
numbers.
हाँ decimal point, yeah.
No, no, you will be not getting a decimal numbers.
Never.
That's why return type is integer. You can't get decimal numbers here. It will give you the approximate value.
Okay, okay.
See here, what happens here randomly I'm scrolling 0 to 20, like randomly I'm scrolling down, scrolling up, that's doing that. But here I have faced the value of x-axis and y-axis, and I want to scroll to that specific element using get location. That means using x-axis and y-axis. To do that, this is the way. Here 0 to 200 I have written. That means the value what it will come in x-axis will come here. The value what in y-axis will come, it will come here.
Basically, you are giving the entire possible scope of scrolling wherever you have to
Correct.
cover
Correct.
the entire scope. How far can you scroll? So
Yes.
that's why you have to give it a larger number so that your entire scrolling area in pixels are covered, right?
Yes. See, it has scrolled down to this element. Okay. And this is your x-axis value and this is your y-axis value. The point value what I am saying. That one. See. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
No.
can you go back to the XPath from where you copied it?
Just a minute. See.
So this is when you put it on the scroller, right?
Sorry.
The XPath from where you copied it, you
This one.
are basically putting it on the scroller only, or you are taking any random location.
No, see, I want to scroll up to this wiki source. That's why I have located this one.
Okay. So once I go there, for some reason mine is looking different than.
Take down this
You are
program
only
first.
hovering, right? You are not clicking on it.
No, 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 not clicking. Why I'll click? If
Yeah,
I'll
yeah,
click,
because you are only.
I'll get stale element exception again.
Yeah, for some reason I'm not getting that.
Send me
I'm
your
not. Mine is little different than.
send me your
Maybe it's a website not loaded properly or what, but I'm just hovering on Wikisource. It's really not showing it.
okay.
How
You
we
take down
will
this
get
program.
stale element exception in this program? Like how?
Sorry.
How we will get stale element exception?
If I'll click here and I want to like access this element. I want to access this element. I'll get stale element exception.
But
Because
why? We have located everything, it is done, right?
so what? But see, I am locating this one in the present URL or the present link. If I'll click here, you can see here the link is getting changed. But you are searching that element in the previous link, not in this link which is open.
Okay, okay. Mm-hmm.
You'll get
So we
exception.
will come back and then we will do.
Huh.
Okay. Okay, okay.
Okay. Done with this? Clear? Scroll into view. From someone remember this. From this 5, we'll start doing this. Okay? By tomorrow, we'll complete this. Any doubts?
Sir.
No?
Can you show that program again? I need to take a screenshot. I couldn't take. Yeah, this one. Thank you.
Tomorrow is Saturday, right? So
Tomorrow is holiday.
okay, you mean on next class you'll.
On Monday. Yeah.
Okay, okay, okay. Got it.
Happy Holi, guys.
Happy
Happy
Holi,
Holi, sir.
everyone.
Happy Holi, everyone.
Okay, guys. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye.